Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. As we all know, festival season is just around the corner. So today we are going to create this subtle yet out there makeup look with using very minimal makeup products. And I think all of these products are already available in your makeup kit. If not, you can buy them from the given link in the description box. So first of all, I'm going to start with applying some toner. It's from Ayurveda, and I'm gonna gently pat it down in my skin. Now I'm gonna use the Nykaa Skin RX Illuminating Plus Vitamin C Serum. It is an amazing serum and you should definitely start using a vitamin C serum after your 20s. Now I'm gonna use Sugar's Citrus Got Real moisturizer. It is a very sticky moisturizer which is very good for your makeup base. Then this step is optional, but I really like to use aloe vera gel for my makeup as it gives a very hydrating look. Massage it really well for extra great effect. Now last step for the skincare, I'm gonna use a lip balm. It's from Sugar. The shade is Cherry. And now I'm gonna use illuminating cream. It's from Sugar. It's the first time I'm trying it and it seriously gives a great results. Look at that glow. I'm impressed. Now starting with the makeup, I'm gonna start by applying a primer. You can all skip that part because we have already applied aloe vera gel. It works as a primer as well. This one is from Milaf and it's a oil free silicone based primer. Now to color correct my dark circles and pigmentation, I'm going to use a darker shade of concealer. It's from Sugar. It's a bit dark for me, so that's why I use it as a color corrector. You can also use a red lipstick, or if you have a red color corrector, you can also use that. But darker shade of concealer helps to give you that natural look and helps very well to hide your impurities on your skin. Now I'm gonna blend it with a damp beauty sponge. You can also use a concealer brush if you want. Here is a tip of the day. Always let your concealer sit before blending for a good 2 minutes as it gives you a very full coverage look. Now my color corrector slash concealer is all blended. I'm gonna switch to foundation now. It's from ELF Cosmetics. I will mention the shade on the screen right here. I'm gonna use 3 pumps of it as I have already have so much yellowness on your skin. I'm gonna melt it down with my fingers and apply it in a dotted form all over my face and gonna blend it with a damp beauty sponge. This looks a bit white on me, but I'm gonna fix it. Always blend your foundation till the time your hand says बस कर दे यार बहुत हो गया. Remember this, okay? Also, all the product details are given in the description box in case you wanna check it out. If you are liking this video till now, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and let me know in the comment section what you want to see next. And now I'm gonna start by applying a concealer. This concealer is of my shade Exact and I do not really like to apply a lighter shade of concealer because it makes my baggy eyes more prominent. And I'm gonna blend it with a concealer brush. You can also use a damp beauty sponge if you want. It's on your choice. Now I'm gonna set it with a loose powder. It's from Swiss Beauty. I'm using a damp beauty sponge on my under eyes and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to set all of my face. Now I'm going to use a Sugar's face palette in the shade Subtle Summit and I'm going to use the blush shade all over my face for to give that color back and blend it with a damp beauty sponge. You can also skip this part. I really like to give it that subtle effect on my face. Now using the eyeshadow palette in the shade Fetish, using the cinnamon brown shade, in my crease and all over my eyelid. I am now taking that shade in my waterline as well to give my eyes a better cat eye shape. Now taking the shade Blush Gold, I'm going to apply it on my lid and in my inner corners. Look how beautiful this shade looks. I'm now gonna blend all the harsh lines on my eyes and then apply a kajal in my waterline. It gives you a very sharp look to your eyes. Now I'm going to apply a black eyeliner on my eyes, a very thin line, as it gives a very cat eye look which I am looking forward to. Look at that sharpness on my eyes. Now to open up my eyes a bit, I'm going to use a Sugar's mascara. It is in the shade Black with a Bang. It is an amazing mascara and you can see the difference. No lashes and it brings out your lashes. It is much better than that Sky High mascara which is very overrated. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corners of the eyes and gonna take it to my waterline as well. It gives you very nice opened eye look. It actually gives an illusion that you have very glowing eyes from within. Now I'm going to line my lips with Color Bar's lip liner. I'm going to trace my own lip lines and not going to overline my lips because I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm going to fill it with a brown shade from Sugar. I'm going to mention the shade right on the screen, and then I'm going to brush my eyebrows as I've just got it done and do not really need to fill it. And last step is highlighting. I'm going to highlight all the top areas of my face, that is my bridge of my nose and tip of my nose, my cheekbone, and yeah, and this is how the final look turned out. Do let me know if you like this look, and if you ever recreate this look, tag me on my Instagram. The link is given in the description box, and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.